Welcome to the Grammar Mentor channel. Tenses in English Grammar. Hey everyone! Welcome to our ultimate guide to English verb tenses. If you've ever been confused about when to say, I was eating versus I have eaten, or I will eat, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the 12 main English tenses, past, present, and future, each with simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous forms. We'll explain what each tense does, how to form it, and give you tons of examples to make it stick. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this video will make tenses crystal clear. So grab a pen, hit that like button, and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more grammar goodness. What are tenses? Tenses are how we show time in English through verbs. They tell us when something happens yesterday, now, or tomorrow, and how it happens, like whether it's ongoing or completed. English has 12 main tenses, grouped into 3 time periods, past, present, and future. Each period has 4 aspects. Simple, for habits, facts, or completed actions. Continuous, for ongoing actions. Perfect, for actions completed before another point in time. Perfect continuous, for ongoing actions that started in the past and continue. Let's break them down one by one, starting with the present tenses. Present tenses. 1. Present simple. Use, for habits, routines, facts, and things that are generally true. Structure, subject plus base verb. Add s/es for third-person singular subjects. Example, she walks to school every day. Habit. Example, the sun rises in the east. Fact, keywords, always, usually, every day, often, never. 2. Present continuous. Use, for actions happening right now or temporary actions. Structure, subject plus m/is/ are plus verb ing. Example, I am studying for my exam. Happening now. Example, they are staying at a hotel this week. Temporary, keywords, now, at the moment, currently, this week. 3. Present perfect. Use, for actions completed in the past with a connection to now or experiences. Structure, subject plus have/ has plus past participle. Example, I have just finished this script. Recent action affects now. Example, she has visited Paris 3 times. Experience, keywords, already, yet, just, ever, never, since, for. 4. Present perfect continuous. Use, for actions that started in the past and continue now, emphasizing duration. Structure, subject plus have/ has plus been plus verb ing. Example, we have been learning English for 2 years. Ongoing duration. Example, he has been working all day. Explains why he's tired now, keywords, for, since, all day, recently. Quick tip. Ask, is it a fact? Happening now? Connected to now? Ongoing for a while? To pick the right present tense. Past tenses. 1. Past simple. Use, for completed actions in the past at a specific time. Structure, subject plus past verb. Regular, ed. Irregular, e.g., went, ate. Example, I visited my grandma yesterday. Completed action. Example, they played soccer last weekend. Specific time, keywords, yesterday, last week, in 2020, ago. 2. Past continuous. Use, for ongoing actions in the past, often interrupted by another action. Structure, subject plus was/ were plus verb ing. Example, she was reading when the phone rang. Ongoing plus interruption. Example, we were watching a movie last night. Ongoing in the past, keywords, while, when, at 8 p.m. yesterday. 3. Past perfect. Use, for actions completed before another past action. Structure, subject plus had plus past participle. Example, I had finished my homework before dinner. Homework done first. Example, they had left when we arrived. Leaving happened first, keywords, before, after, by the time, already. 4. Past perfect continuous. Use, for ongoing past actions that continued until another past point, emphasizing duration. Structure, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Example, She had been studying for hours before the test. Duration. Example. We had been waiting for an hour when the bus came. Ongoing until another event. Keywords: for, since, before, until. Quick tip. Use past perfect or past perfect continuous to clarify the order of past events, especially in complex sentences. Future tenses. 1. Future simple. Use for predictions, decisions made now, or scheduled events. Structure. Subject plus will plus base verb, or be going to for plans/predictions. Example. It will rain this afternoon. Prediction. Example. I'm going to call her tonight. Plan. Keywords: tomorrow, next week, soon, in the future. 2. Future continuous. Use for actions that will be ongoing at a specific future time. Structure. Subject plus will plus be plus verb ing. Example. At 8 p.m., I will be watching TV. Ongoing at a future time. Example. They will be traveling all day tomorrow. Ongoing action. Keywords: at this time tomorrow, next month. 3. Future perfect. Use for actions that will be completed before a specific future time. Structure. Subject plus will plus have plus past participle. Example. By next year, I will have saved enough money. Completed by a future point. Example. She will have finished the project by Monday. Deadline. Keywords: by the time, before. 4. Future perfect continuous. Use for actions that will continue until a future point, emphasizing duration. Structure. Subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing. Example. By 2026, I will have been teaching for 10 years. Duration until a future point. Example. They will have been working on this for months by the deadline. Ongoing until then. Keywords: for, since, by, until. Quick tip. Use will for spontaneous decisions or predictions, and be going to for planned actions or evidence-based predictions. Common mistakes and tips. Here are some common tense mistakes and how to avoid them. Wrong tense for time. Incorrect. I am going to the party yesterday. Wrong time. Correct. I went to the party yesterday. Overusing present simple. Incorrect. I eat dinner now. Happening now needs continuous. Correct. I am eating dinner now. Confusing perfect tenses. Incorrect. I have seen her yesterday. Perfect doesn't use specific past times. Correct. I saw her yesterday, or I have seen her recently. Forgetting auxiliary verbs. Incorrect. She been working all day. Missing has. Correct. She has been working all day. Pro tip. Always check the time frame, past, present, future, and the nature of the action, completed, ongoing, connected to another time, to choose the right tense. Conclusion and call to action. And that's a wrap on English tenses. You've learned all 12 tenses, their structures, uses, and how to avoid common mistakes. Keep practicing, and you'll master